Football lovers, welcome to my family. On my channel, I will keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. So kindly subscribe to my channel so I can daily update you about Kaizer Chiefs. Rising star Luke Batman is reported on the venue of joining Kaizer Chiefs, pending the resolution of legal cases between Cape Spurs and Makosi over the player's contract situation. At just 18 years old, Batman has already torn hands with his fair pace and football intelligence, drawing comparison to former Chiefs fan favorite Gaston Stewart. If the deal goes through, Redmond could injure some of needed activities in the streets in the Chiefs are taking as they look to replace under Ferdinand any technical team. Will Redmond
It's natural. Could he be the spark that reset the Camara's boss Claudent days? Let me know in the comments. For more Killer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can daily update you about Kaizer Chiefs.